In this video, I will show how to download and install latest version of Java Development Kit JDK on Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and in the address bar write this URL oracle.com, hit enter. Now click on the products, then select Java. Click on the download Java button. Now select the latest version of JDK and then select the platform Windows. Okay. In this video I will show you how to install JDK using Windows installer. So download the installer or MSI installer. I am going to install JDK using the Windows installer. Click here to download. I already have downloaded it on my machine. After successful download, go into the downloads folder. Now open this Windows installer. Now select yes. The setup wizard will guide you through the installation process for the Java SE Development Kit 23.0.1. Click on next. Now select the destination folder where you want to install Java JDK. This is the default destination folder. If you want to change this folder, click on change button and then browse the folder where you want to install and then click on OK, then click on next. It may take a while for installing JDK. That's it. Java SE Development Kit installed successfully. Click on close. Now verify the installation. Open command prompt and write this command java ---- version. That's it. Now I am going to set the Java home path environment variable. So go into the program files, then Java, then JDK, then bin subfolder. Copy this path and then open, edit the system environment variable. I am going to set the Java home path environment variable for the all users of the system. So go to the system variable section, click on new to create a new variable, name it Java _ home and paste here the path. Now click on OK, then select path, then click on edit. Here the Java environment variable has been set automatically during the installation. So now you can delete this and then click on new. Now write this symbol and then write the variable name here Java _ home. Okay. Now click on OK. OK. Now exit command prompt and reopen and verify the installation Java ---- version. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.